All right, we have yet another elevator to ride at this private building. It's a Marshall.
Yeah, that's the outside door. I'm guessing you can't run this door open.
Here's the first floor. 2 is up just a little flight of stairs. Now watch this. It'll open this door. I mean, G. This opens up on the street level. There we go. All the other floors go open up on that side. Go to 4. Door does not close when we push the button, and now the doors are closed. Here we go. This is a neat elevator. And there it goes. And that'll be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.